To pretend that something.
Tyler, put a smile on your face.
I know.
Are you videotaping it?
Yes. Crabbiest. The crabbiest boy. Would you like to take it out of the box? Look,
Yeah.
look how sad he looks.
Well, I didn't know if this was all part of what you wanted to experience. All right, so it comes out like this.
I know how things go.
We're gonna let her finish it.
Oh, he's gonna look so sad if he doesn't get to do it.
First time out of the box.
No, it might have been the second time.
Yeah, it might have been the second
Did
time.
you see the way he flipped
It
that
almost
off
looks
like
like
it
the
was made of
plastic
glass?
is a little bit.
To open, turn knob, and lift.
So this
Can I
might
turn the
be
knob?
held in with, I don't know.
Oh my god. Touching it
Oh,
like
are you
it's
going
made
to
of
take
glass.
the? Are you going to release the Kraken tag?
I don't know, I might have taken the batteries out of it.
Yeah,
That's why it was open.
No, but it says
There's a
in the
tag.
back to release what is
To
inside.
turn, yeah.
Oh no.
Worthless.
Yeah. The tens of dollars could have gotten.
Tens. Ooh, are they individually wrapped in there?
Oh, but they got their own ramp.
Wow, you never even took this part out.
This is exciting. See what you missed?
You know what this is all called? Original patent. This was mint in box. Mint in box, Tyler.
The groan.
We have to remember how all this went.
Okay. Yes. Make sure you put it back in the right box. We're all excited.
I might have taken the battery out. Pull the pin out.
No.
Well, if the battery might be in there. I kind of doubt it.
No, I don't think we
it
ever.
is probably corroded in there.
Yeah.
Well, we would see if it was corroded.
Okay, zoom, zoom.
You're acting like you're performing surgery. You're like holding your breath.
Yes, they should. Well, they don't know.
Wee.
Is it not a friction drive?
Not really.
The battery tab might be. Yeah, they were.
Oh, look at that.
Maybe they were in the 90s
Do you have
when they were
AA
supposed to be
batteries?
like that.
I don't think it takes double A batteries.
There you go.
Get if you have a little Phillips head screwdriver.
It takes C batteries.
That was a
I think
sign.
we took them all out of the
Yeah,
packages because they
it takes
corrode.
C batteries. I don't know if we have C batteries.
Did the
You want to
doors
see it
open?
light up?
Yeah.
Might as well. It's already ruined. Might as well.
Well, we do have C
You are
batteries.
just the curmudgeoniest boy. Ruined.
Well-
You're that ruined.
Here, Tyler.
You might as well play with them because they're not really worth anything.
Yeah, 'cause at 33 years old, I don't play with toys and collect them.
Need a.
Are you sure this is what they take?
Excuse me?
Are you sure this is what they take?
Yes.
Yeah, you have a Phillips head? Smaller one.
So you've never ever seen any of them light up?
No, I used to take them out, light them up, very carefully, put them all back in the box, and store them away.
Mm-hmm. Fun.
I know.
I had toys that I played with.
He would take them out, but that was it. And that was our fault. Our fault.
Okay, this stuff should all go back in here. I don't think I had batteries for those.
Do you want a towel or anything to put it on?
Oh, that screw was pretty stripped.
probably rusted.
No, that holds on the body.
Where's the battery? Probably the front.